So in this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock or how to get bamboo cut wingtips in Where Winds Meet. Now this is an item that can be used for the mortal rope dart weapon in game. So in order for you to get it, you need to first track the quest to unlock it. To do that, open up the menu and then select develop. From here, choose your martial arts, then scroll through the different items until you find mortal rope dart, and you should see bamboo cut. So this is the item that you're going to obtain. So go ahead and select obtain, and then choose whether you want to join the sect or you want to perform a skill theft. Once you've done that, go ahead and track that specific quest and complete it. Once you've completed it, you should be able to have unlocked your bamboo cut wingtips in Where Winds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.